How long should you wait after buying a car before filing bankruptcy? Hi, I'm Jonathan Ginsberg. I'm a personal bankruptcy attorney here in the Atlanta area. And this is a very important question because a lot of times we'll meet with people who have recently purchased a car, they need to file bankruptcy, and the question is, how long should they wait? Well, there's really no hard and fast answer. In theory, you could buy a car on Thursday and file bankruptcy on Friday, and that would not be a good idea for a number of reasons, but there's nothing inherently illegal about doing so. My experience and my advice would be, obviously, first of all, talk to your attorney and discuss the need to file bankruptcy and the risk factors in the court you're thinking about filing in. But I would say that as a general rule, what I tell my clients is wait 3 or 4 months at least. Try to make 3 or 4 payments to the creditor so it looks like this is not a pre-planned type of thing. The risk would be if you file bankruptcy, and this is either a Chapter 7 or a Chapter 13, either the trustee or the car lender or another creditor might object on good faith grounds that you made this large financial purchase knowing you were going to file bankruptcy, and that's not good faith. The lender in Chapter 7 can say, we're not going to reaffirm the debt. We want the vehicle back. In Chapter 13, the trustee could say, if you're going to do that, then we want to see you pay 100% to all your unsecured creditors when your plan really could be something that you paid 10% or 5% on the dollar. So it cost you a lot of extra money there. So again, not that it's hard and fast, set in stone, but 3 or 4 months, 5 months, that's enough time to make some payments and probably get rid of the likelihood of those objections. You could still get them. Obviously, the longer you can, longer amount of time you can put between buying a car and filing bankruptcy, the better. But sometimes circumstances arise, you have to do it. And certainly you need to explain, be prepared to explain why you file bankruptcy so soon after buying a car. But I would say big pictures, don't let it look like this is all part of a plan, because the one thing that trustees and bankruptcy judges don't like is people using the bankruptcy process to basically, to not, I'd say rip off, but to damage the interest of creditors and to sort of play fast and loose with the rules. Bankruptcy is sort of a compromise. It's not something that you use to improve your financial situations, to get out of problems. And if it looks like you're using it to improve your situation, to get something for nothing, as it were, then you're going to find that the trustees and creditors and the judges are not going to be very pleased. So big picture rule of thumb is about 3 or 4 months, longer if possible, but I would defer to advice of counsel for your specific situation. But that is, of course, a good question to ask. Again, I'm Jonathan Ginsberg. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up on YouTube, like it on Facebook. Any other questions you've got about Chapter 13 or Chapter 7 bankruptcy in the Atlanta area, please let me know. And if you have any suggestions about future videos, please let me know that as well. I appreciate your attention, and thank you very much.